guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Bailey.s Stewart. You can follow my TikTok, Bailey.s Stewart, as well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a deep cleaning and organizing of my apartment video. I like watching these, and so I figured I'd do one because I'm gonna make this real. Like, I feel like in some of those videos, it's just like people's mess just isn't really messy. Mine is. My apartment is so bad, and I'm gonna show you. I ordered hangers from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it took them like over 3 weeks to get here. They're finally here. For the longest time, like, I had a ton of like collabs and hauls, like clothing just being sent, and so they're all over the floor, not even folded. I'm embarrassed to show you guys, but I want to make this real, and it's so satisfying to see a huge mess and then it just like be so clean and organized after. So I'm going to show you guys what my apartment looks like, because it's not cute. It's really not. I've just been, since I didn't have my mattress, I haven't really been like sleeping here, so I just basically have been using it for filming, and then I dip after. So I just leave piles of clothes from hauls on the floor. So we're gonna work on that. So we are gonna be vacuuming, we are going to be doing laundry, we are going to be wiping down the counters, and we are going to be folding the clothes and hanging them. And I actually have a dresser I got from IKEA. But yeah, okay guys, so before we continue with the cleaning vlog, I finally have a mattress. So this video is sponsored by Lol. So thank you so much, Lol, for sending me this mattress and sponsoring this video. I love that Lol comes in like this pretty small box. And then I think it's memory foam, so I think once I open it, it'll just kind of expand. I haven't had a new mattress since like elementary school, and it has like box springs. It's really old. And I've always wanted to try a memory foam just because I hear such great things about it. Once I sleep on it for a few nights, I'll add another clip in and give my full review of using it. So here is the Lol mattress. It's just a nice memory foam. It's got white top and then like a gray base. Ooh. So when you sit on it, it doesn't like, because like I said, I'm used to a mattress that has like springs, and like when you sit on it, it kind of bounces. So this just like, I don't know, you don't bounce. And I think that's good for people who are like, a light sleeper, and say you sleep with someone else and if they're constantly moving around, I don't think you'd feel that. I'm excited to try this. I sleep on my side, so I'm very interested to see how a memory foam will do, because I've never slept on a memory foam mattress before. So after sleeping a few nights, like I said, I will review it. Hi guys. So it's been a few days of sleeping on my Lol mattress, and I just quickly wanted to give a little review. Absolutely obsessed. I've had the same mattress at home since, I'm pretty sure my mom bought it, like just picked out a random mattress in elementary school, and that's how long I've had it. And it's like one of those box spring mattresses. I don't even think they make mattresses like that anymore, but I was skeptical at first of memory foam just because I was used to a box spring. Memory foam is a game changer. I have scoliosis, so I feel like I should have gotten a better mattress a long time ago. The memory foam just like molds to your body. It's so comfortable. I'm literally obsessed. I'm so thankful that Lol sent me this and I get to work with them. This is your sign. If you are using a really old mattress, upgrade. It is time to upgrade. You have a 365-day risk-free trial, so if you don't like it, you can return it. No worries. So the benefits of like a memory foam mattress are, there's 3 layers of premium foam. It means no sinking in, no trampolining, and no feeling stuck or sunk like some other mattresses. It relieves pressure, and the specialized top layer premium cover transfer heat away from the body, so it helps you stay cool at night. I'm a really hot sleeper. Like, I always have to have a fan or AC going. I can't sleep with the heat on. So this has been so beneficial. I don't feel like I'm dying of a heat stroke at night, especially since I have like a thick duvet cover. And I guess this is beneficial if you have like a boyfriend or something. I don't, but it distributes motion, so it's like if someone else is like shifting around in the bed, you won't be able to feel it. Ships free and arrives quickly at your door. That is my review on my Lull mattress, and let's just get back on into the deep cleaning video. All right, guys, so here's my closet. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous to show you guys. It's so bad. So basically what I would do is, after filming, like, this is Alphalete, Fashion Nova, White Fox, Addicted, like, just after filming like my YouTube videos, TikToks, I would just, like, since I knew I didn't have coat hangers, I would just leave them. I know I should have folded them neatly, but I usually would be leaving in a hurry to either go to the gym before it gets dark. I don't know. No excuse, but we are just going to fix all this. This is the mess. It's all my hauls just kind of accumulated, and I didn't have coat hangers, but now I have coat hangers finally. And then I have this dresser for like my underwear, socks, leggings. I'll put sports bras and like crop tops above it, just to utilize as much space as possible, since I do have way too many clothes. I also need to go through and kind of donate some, like tons of like Revolve, and yeah, it's stressful. I also have a pile right there. I think that's Fashion Nova too. So here are all the coat hangers. I went to Target, got some shower stuff to put in my shower. What I got from Target, I brought it over. My management company sent me this Boy Smells, like, they're manly smelling candles. They're so cute. Thank you, Dulcedo. I just thought that was so sweet. And so, all right, if I can open them. Yeah, but I'm gonna place them probably in my room or just around, because like they're just really aesthetically pleasing. So I just got more Panoxoil, get the 10% foam, and then I used the Panoxoil sunscreen moisturizer. It does not break me out, whereas CeraVe and Cetaphil did, and it gave me milia. Some shaving cream. I just got a small size. Pacifica perfume. So I actually got sent this in a PR, like the tiny ones, and loved it so much I ended up going to Target and buying the full size of this scent. It just smells so good. It's the Hawaiian Ruby Guava. Should have brought my iPad because I don't have a TV in my closet and I just can't focus. So we're gonna take a break from that and do a load of laundry. This is my laundry room. It's got a ladder in it. That's lovely. Also, is it in here? No. Yes. Okay. So I need to figure out how to use this because this is not like mine at home. So, okay, which one's the washer? Wash the sheets. So pour my detergent in. I don't know what the drum is, because like mine, the one at home, is like, that's where you put it in, like the bottom half, and then you, yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking. Hopefully I put it in the right place. I have not used an old one like this in for, oh my god, it's leaking. I think that was it. normal.
Hopefully that was it.
Laundry, check. I also got these hangers from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. I figured I could put them on, like, put my sports bras on them. That way I can fit more. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the closet. I have all of these left. I still have clothes at home that I need to bring over, a lot of clothes, but everything that I have from the haul is basically hung, folded, all that. So I'm going to show you guys the closet, but I'm going to put these on the rack, that way I have them when I bring more clothes in. Okay, so here is the closet. No more clothes on the floor. Bathroom looks good. I just need to vacuum. Over here, yeah, I need to bring over, like I said, I have a lot of my gym stuff still at home, so I need to bring that over. But I love these because I can put my shorts, sports bras, and like 4 on 1. That way it saves a lot of room. That is the update. It looks so much better. I already feel a little bit less stressed. I just realized I don't have dryer sheets, so I might have to run to CVS. Update, all right, I just got back from CVS. I'm also so hungry and I have like no food. When don't I? Or I guess when do I? So I got me some Pringles, okay? Because I need to eat, like I want to go to the gym soon and I need to eat something, but I also got this, I got water. But I got some Aunt Annie's mac and cheese that I can quickly eat. It's got like 7 grams of protein, not too bad. And then I needed hair ties, but I got the main thing I needed, which are dryer sheets so I can dry my laundry. Alright guys, here is the living room. I vacuumed, tried to fluff the couch. It still looks a tad bit frumpy, but it is what it is. Nice fresh vacuumed floor. That is the little update. I'm just watching Maya Knight. Her kids are the cutest, and I'm so happy she made a YouTube because, I don't know, I just really like her videos. So I just checked on my clothes. What is this? Like, did I accidentally dry something that should not have been dried? Like, I'm scared. Here's the finished look. This is a Neswell duvet cover. It's linen, so it's super wrinkly. I don't know if I should just like let it be or steam it. I don't know, but here's the bed. And then I got that painting from At Home, and I'm just gonna hang it above it. And I have my little end table. I still need to bring my lamp from home. It's just a basic white lamp. And the bedroom is done.